Start over.
You know, Dancer and Dasher, Comet and Cupid, Vixen and Dixon. But do you know the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a really shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you'd even say it glows like a light bulb. And all the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. But one foggy Christmas Eve, old Santa came to say, Rudolph, will you guide my sleigh tonight? And Rudolph said, with your nose so bright. And then the other reindeers started to say hippie. And then Rudolph, with his nose so bright, he could wet his sleigh tonight.
Yeah.